Alright, here we go. Going to pick up Hope's new bike. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
First clutch. So it's going to be interesting. ttr125. Excited or nervous?
I don't know.
Well, you got to pick one.
Excited.
Ooh. Alright, we've got 2 hours and 8 minutes. We're about 5 minutes from home, so it's pretty much 4 hours and 30 minutes driving today, so it's going to be tiring, but it's worth it. You excited?
Yeah.
It's somewhere here. Oh, Honda. We definitely don't want to go there.
Why?
Because we ride blue.
They might make blue blind.
Yamaha.
Turn right onto Northern Highway, then arrive at your destination.
Excited?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it's got a mountain bike shop on it. We might have to buy some mountain bikes.
No, we already have a mountain bike.
Can't make any promises.
Arrive at WB Motorcycles and Mowers.
What do you reckon? Ready to be a farm girl?
The chairs. The chairs?
This one looks better though. What do you reckon? No, that's super powerful, but that's why we got the other one. If you learn the clutch, then we'll put you on this one. Deal?
Sure.
The boots. It's pretty much exactly the same height as the YZ. Do you want to have a sit on it? What do you reckon? Same height or how does it feel? Hold the handlebars straight. Perfect height for you. Excited? Nervous? Alright, she doesn't want to film it. It's never going to look like this again. Oh yeah. Thanks to Echuca Yamaha WBR. Best shop in Victoria, probably Australia, but I'm not driving further than this. Alright, let's go get a helmet, eh?
What?
Time to ride.
Alright guys, we got the first accessories.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure why they don't have a bar pad on these bikes, but alright, go for it.
I didn't see that.
I can tell.
This part should be easy.
Yeah, you got to get it nice and tight and even. That's terrible. They might not need to go that tight. No, look here, you've started crooked, baby. You've got to start even. So make sure that it's all the way over, square. And if you start even, it should finish even. Except, it's upside down. You want it to read right from this way, not from your way.
Is that a green colour?
Yeah. It's my favourite bike, can you tell?
I thought your favourite bike was the two-stroke.
Yeah.
Poppy, Poppy.
Can you say hello?
Hello, Poppy.
All right.
Are you taking that now?
Nah, I think we'll go tomorrow. It looks like it's going to rain.
How many bikes you got now?
Who knows?
I don't know, you can go and count them. Excited?
Yeah.
How excited?
10 out of 10.
What are you going to do today?
Motorbike riding.
With?
My new motorbike.
And?
A clutch.
That's right, that's what we're going for. The big girl's stepping it up. Dun, dun, dun. The other kids are too scared today because there's slight precipitation, about 0.000001 mil. Yeah. And they don't want to get wet toes.
125 is too loose.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice.
Pipey, are we pumped?
Yeah.
Look at the outfit. 360. Woo! That's my gear from, I reckon, at least 15 years ago. It fits so perfect.
Mitchell, good.
All right, are you ready? So, you should be in neutral. Try to push it backwards and forwards.
No, on.
Push the bike backwards and forwards. Yep, all right, so turn the key on. This way is reserves, so you don't do that until you run out of fuel. So you want to go down that way. See the big bit? This is your choke here, so always pull that up when you start, when it's cold. So pull that up. That's it. All right, now start it. All right. Yeah, that's it, just a tiny little bit until you get used to it. But for now, don't worry about the throttle. So pull this in and then click it down into gear. That's it, and now slowly release it out, but don't go all the way. I don't want you to take off, I just want you to feel it when it starts biting in. Can you feel it there? So that's the spot where it starts to accelerate. So just practice, just try to go a tiny bit, give it a little bit of throttle. That's it, and pull the clutch in, stop. Perfect. So pretty much you'll be right now, like from what you just did, you should be fine just to take off.
Do I have to hold this the whole time?
Every time you stop, once you're going, so as you take off, you'll feel it, and you just got to work with the motor, just keep the revs nice. And then once you get going, then you let it go, and then just cruise around in first, and then we'll work on changing gears. So try to do it. So there you go. Bit of throttle, little bit of throttle. Is it fun? So now what you got to try to do is get going, get a little bit of speed up, and then let go of the throttle, and then click it up once, and then that'll be second gear.
Okay. Does that mean I don't have to hold this anymore?
No, you've always got to hold it, apart from when you're riding.
So how do I do a second gear again?
So you'll take off, and then you can let go of the clutch, and then you'll go, so you'll let go of the throttle and grab the clutch at the same time, and then click up. So you'll go, click, click. You get me? Try. Did you do it? Hey. All right, now pull in the clutch. That's it. And now because, so it worked then, yeah? Yeah, you stalled it. You can't let go of the clutch.
I didn't let go of it.
Well, you did, that's why it stalled, baby.
I didn't let go of it.
So, no, it won't start. Pull the clutch in. So click it down, because you're in second at the moment. No, don't, that was ridiculous. Yeah, so let go of the clutch, push it forward. Is it still in gear? No, so that's neutral. So down is first, and then half a click up is neutral. But every time you start, if you just click it down, and then while you're riding, you just click up. But I'll adjust that up a bit higher too. So you've got a lot of gears, so try to go up into third. So turn around in first, and then change second and third up there. We'll see how you go. Well, easy, see? You can crash, be easy. Soon, Mickey, okay? Just give me a little bit more. And then clutch and click up. Don't forget to let go of the throttle when you do it. That's it. Go up again. That's it. He's killing it. Not the brake. Come here, handsome boy.
Where do I put my legs?
Yeah, up there. Perfect. Archer! Oi, stop for a minute. So you're ready to change gears now. So what you do is take off and then go, and when it starts getting loud, back off the throttle and click it up one more. That'll change gear. Try. Yeah, you can't throttle when you do it. Try now. Click up. No, stop. I'll click it up for you now. So when you want to change gear, you can't be throttling at all. Having fun? Thumbs up or what? Just remember, when Hope's coming past, you got to go slow, okay? We don't want to have an accident. Double thumbs up. Oh, Mickey's got the thumbs up too. You're doing awesome, Hopey. Is it super fun?
Yeah. It was full of stuff.
No, it's not. Hey, it's way more fun than the auto one, isn't it?
So itchy.
But do you find that more fun when you're controlling the bike properly?
It's fun, but it's hard to figure out.
Yeah, but like I said, the more you do it, it'll just become second nature. Just down the end. Hopey, don't forget to squeeze. He's coming, I can see him. Don't forget to squeeze with your knees on the tank, yeah? That'll stop the bike wobbling.
My arms are so weak.
I can't see him here. Get him, please.
I love it. You're doing well, baby. So what you got to practice, you're doing everything perfect. All you got to practice now is downshifting when you slow down. So like that, hang on Mickey, that corner back there, you should have downshifted to second instead of third.
And then I almost fallen that tiny hill, Dad. I fall on that
baby! Stop, Happy! Can you stop? Babe, can you stop? Good girl. So the idea is, now you've got to listen to the RPMs, which is the revs per minute. So when you hear the motor revving high, that means you've got to go up a gear. And if you hear the motor with the revs really low, that means you should be down a gear. No, it's not. You're doing perfect. Like along here, you should be in third or fourth. And then when you're going around the corner, you should be in second.
That's it for today's video. Bye.